Describe the importance of marketing channel distribution and unit case in the online course creator. Marketing channel distribution and unit case are critical aspects for online course creators as they play a vital role in reaching and engaging with their target audience, driving conversions, and ultimately, achieving success. Let's delve into the importance of each. 1. Marketing channel distribution. A. Reach and visibility. Utilizing various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, paid advertising, and partnerships helps course creators increase their reach and visibility among their target audience. By diversifying channels, they can tap into different segments of their audience and expand their reach beyond their immediate networks. B. Targeting and segmentation. Different marketing channels attract different types of audiences. Course creators can leverage this diversity to tailor their messaging and content to specific segments of their target audience. For instance, they may use LinkedIn for professional audiences, Instagram for visual learners, or email newsletters for engaged subscribers. C. Engagement and interaction. Marketing channels provide platforms for course creators to engage and interact with their audience in meaningful ways. Through social media platforms, discussion forums, live webinars, or email campaigns, creators can build relationships, answer questions, address concerns, and foster a sense of community among their audience. D. Data and insights. Each marketing channel offers unique data and insights that course creators can leverage to optimize their strategies. By analyzing metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and audience demographics, creators can gain valuable insights into their audience's preferences, behaviors, and needs, allowing them to refine their marketing efforts for better results. 2. Unit case. A. Value proposition. The unit case refers to the unique selling proposition, USP, or value proposition of the course. It encapsulates the core benefits, outcomes, and value that the course offers to prospective students. A compelling unit case communicates why the course is worth investing in and what sets it apart from competitors. B. Differentiation and positioning. The unit case helps course creators differentiate their course from others in the market and position it effectively to attract their target audience. By highlighting the unique features, expertise, teaching methods, or outcomes of the course, creators can create a compelling narrative that resonates with their audience and convinces them to enroll. C. Conversion and enrollment. A strong unit case is essential for driving conversions and enrollment for the course. When presented effectively through marketing channels, the unit case serves as a persuasive tool that motivates prospective students to take action and enroll in the course. It addresses their pain points, desires, and aspirations, demonstrating how the course can help them achieve their goals. D. Brand reputation and trust. The unit case also contributes to building the brand reputation and trustworthiness of the course creator. By delivering on the promises outlined in the unit case and providing value to students, creators can establish credibility, earn positive reviews and testimonials, and build a loyal community of students who advocate for their course. In summary, marketing channel distribution and unit case are integral components of a successful online course creator's strategy. By effectively leveraging various marketing channels to distribute their message and communicating a compelling unit case that resonates with their target audience, course creators can attract, engage, and convert prospective students, ultimately driving growth and success for their online courses.